top of the elevator at Macy's, Westmoreland Mall, Greensburg, Pennsylvania. There's the Macy Star. I'm gonna take my keys off. Yeah, Twinkie Montgomery. Oh, we got a nice motor. The weird, like, barely lined button in there. Innovation. Oh, this is just like the one that was at Great Lakes. Oh, the former Macy's at Great Lakes. This is giving me nostalgic memories. Not buttons. Montgomery, 2,500 pound capacity. This won't open, stick with the phone there. There's your buttons. Both the lanterns work nice. From what I can tell, we got a nice motor, so we'll start with the doors closed, even though the fan's on. You can barely hear it from the inside. It sounds better on the outside. Take one more round trip. Montgomery. It's down here. Here's your button. Oh, there's the star. There we go. Lanterns. Blend it down on one. Buttons are hard to press. This indicator is not buttons. This button is kind of. This is giving me Macy's Great Lakes vibes. This elevator is essentially exactly the same as the one there. That store is closed now, but still cool finance. And we'll wrap it up down here. Alrighty, and there's the drop key. Another Macy's Star. And that'll be it.